Alright guys, so here's the last technique that I'm going to show you for weaving. Alright, I kind of already have this one prepped. So you're going to take two colors, and what we're going to do is somewhere within your warping of your loom, you're just going to take those two colors, you're going to come in together, and then they're going to twist around each other and go back out. What that does is it just gives you an option to stop one color and start another color. Right? This technique is called interlocking. So you can see all I'm going to do is I'm going to do tabby weaving for both of my colors. So I started a tabby weave coming in from the left with my red, and you can notice that I moved this down here just so you could clearly see what I'm doing. But I started a tabby weave coming in from the left with my red. I'm going to do a tabby weave coming into from the right with my gray. I messed up my red right there. But then I'm going to come in from the right with my gray. Again, make sure that you leave a tail whenever you're starting. And then all I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take my two colors and I'm just going to twist them. All right? So that way you can see in the middle here, they twist. Okay, and then just whatever color, so my red to start, I'm just going to go back to my tabby weave, and when I weave back through, I'm just doing the opposite. So see, I'm doing the opposite of what I did coming in from the left to start my red. Okay, and again, you would do this up here, so you would push your color back together, so you'd make sure that your yarn, but for the sake of showing you this, I wanted to do it down here. All right, so then you go to your other color after you twisted, did your one color there, you're just going with your second color, and again, same thing, tabby weave, but doing the opposite of what you did when you started with that color. Okay, and then you're just going to use your fingers to push this up, and then again, obviously this would be up here, but that's interlocking. And you could do that anywhere. I did it right here in the center. You could do it farther on the left. You could do it farther on the right. And it gives you options. So then if you go back in again, you can maybe make your red come farther over to the right and then interlock over here somewhere. Okay? The options are up to you. But that's interlocking, and that's our last technique for weaving that we're going to talk about.